Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this Celebrate You card. Isn't it cute? We're using a couple celebration items. We're using the cards and envelopes, and then also the stamp set, and we're coloring in the flowers with the Stampin' Blends. So this one I used the Old Olive, and this is the combo pack. And then this one I used the Pool Party Dark and the Bermuda Bay Light Stampin' Blends. And then this one we used the Calypso Coral combo pack. And then this one I used the Daffodil Delight combo pack. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make the Calypso Coral one today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the cards and envelope pack that you can get for free during Celebration until March 31st. And you'll get 16 envelopes and 16 card bases. And you'll get 4 of each color. So let's go ahead and do the Calypso Coral. So isn't the envelopes cute too? They got a different design on the inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and get you the measurement for the front of the card. So the Whisper White piece is cut at 3.5 by 4 3/4, and then the basic black piece is cut at 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. Okay, so let me go ahead and grab the stamps. Okay, so the stamp set we're using is from Celebration as well, and it's the Amazing You. We're going to use the flower, the Celebrate, and then You. So we're going to stamp on the Whisper White. I need to grab some grid paper. Okay, so we're going to be using the Memento ink. And we're going to first stamp the greeting, the Celebrate You. And right about here looks good. Okay, then we're going to take the U and stamp that right below the Celebrate. Now we're going to stamp the flower, and I'm going to move the flower around. Let me show you the sample here. So you're just going to position the flower in different ways with your stamping. So you're just going to move the stamp and stamp it around the Celebrate. So we're going to stamp a collage over here and then up in the left-hand corner. Okay, isn't that pretty? All right, now we're going to color it in with the Stampin' Blends. I'm going to be using the Calypso Coral in the light and the dark, and this is also available in a combo where you get both colors. So first I'm going to add the dark color, and I'm just following the lines of the flower. So I'm just kind of highlighting those lines towards the center of the flower. Okay, we're going to take the light version of the Calypso Coral and we're just going to color in the flower now. So pretty. Okay, so we're going to add a couple basic rhinestones. Let me move the grid paper. So I'm going to use the paper piercing tool, and I'm going to add a few of the large basic rhinestones to the center of the flowers. Okay, so now we're going to add a couple smaller basic rhinestones to the background of the card. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and layer this onto the basic black piece. And take our base. I'm going to put this right in the center of the card. Isn't it cute? Okay, so then here's the envelope. You could also stamp the flower or another greeting on the front. if it's a birthday or a celebration. These cards I made for my Glitter Queens that reached high goals for the month of December. So here's the Daffodil Delight one, and then the Pool Party, and then the Old Olive with the lemon lime twist. Okay, so I have all the items listed below, and then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.